To use Afterpay in store, start by finding a retailer that accepts Afterpay as a payment method. Many popular stores offer Afterpay, so you can check the store's website or ask a sales associate if they accept it. Once you have found a store that accepts Afterpay, let the sales associate know that you would like to use Afterpay as your payment method. They will then ring up your purchase and let you know the total amount due. Next, you will need to open the Afterpay app on your phone and follow the prompts to generate a barcode. This barcode is a unique code that is linked to your Afterpay account and will be used to process your payment. Show the barcode to the sales associate, who will then scan it to process your payment. You will be required to pay a quarter of the total amount due at the time of purchase, and the remaining balance will be split into 3 equal payments due every 2 weeks. Afterpay will send you reminders when your payments are due, and you can also view your payment schedule in the app. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. When using Afterpay in store, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before making a purchase. This includes being aware of any interest rates or fees that may apply if you miss a payment. To get the most out of using Afterpay in store, make sure to only spend what you can afford to pay back, and make your payments on time to avoid any additional fees. By following these steps and being mindful of your spending, you can use Afterpay in store to make purchases and pay for them over time.